In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a social media post in Buffer using a free Unsplash image. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank editor to a polished post that's ready to share or schedule. Start by opening Buffer. You'll land right in the Create Post editor, which is where everything happens. This space is designed to keep your workflow simple, so you can focus on crafting content without getting lost in settings. First, select your social media channel. Choose the account where you want this post to appear, and make sure it's the correct one before you move on. Picking the right channel up front helps you tailor your message and ensures the post shows up exactly where you intend. Now it's time to add an image. Click the plus icon or use the media drop-down directly below the upload area. From the menu, click Unsplash. Unsplash is a free library of high-quality photos that you can use without leaving Buffer, which saves time and keeps your post-creation flow smooth. In the Unsplash search, type a keyword that matches your topic or mood. For example, you might try sleeping, productivity, or time management. Feel free to test a few variations to refine the vibe you're going for. When you see a photo that fits your message and brand style, select it. Wait a moment for the image to appear in Buffer. You'll see it load right into your editor. Give it a second to finish. This ensures the full resolution image is ready and prevents hiccups later. Next, add your caption or content. Write clearly and concisely and match the tone of your channel. If you use hashtags, keep them relevant and avoid clutter. A short call to action, a key takeaway, or a helpful link can make your post more engaging and useful. Before you publish, review your post using Preview. This is your chance to confirm the image looks the way you expect and that the text reads well. Check spacing, line breaks, and overall flow so it feels polished and easy to read. When everything looks right, choose how you want to share it. Click Schedule Post to plan it for a later time, keeping your content calendar consistent. Or click Publish immediately to send it live right now. That's it, your post is created, reviewed, and ready to go.